Hello again, just Barry here from Mitosu Crafts. I think I might have had some quality issues just a moment ago, so I'm not sure. Let us know what you thought of the quality on the video. But yeah, I just wanted to pop back on again and show you these projects. Hang on a minute, I'm just gonna pause for a second and just get the live feed up so I can see if anyone's joining us. There's nothing there at the moment. So I just wanted to show you the project once again, the finished projects. Obviously I'm not going to go through and stamp them all again, but I just wanted to show you. So we did this little project here, which is using the little Santa bags here. So you can get these here, and they've got you've got eight bags in here. And they come like this, and they're plain, like so. And all I've done is I've used the Peaceful Poinsettia stamp sets, like that. And I've used the holly here, and I've used the Christmas wishes sentiment. And on the card we've used this one here, and I have used May the Season Be Filled with Peace stamp set sentiment right here. So that was just done. That was just stamped using Memento Ink. Like that, was just stamped using Memento Ink with the hollies and using the Poppy Parade ink pad here for the sentiment. And then I used the Poppy Parade light and dark blends here, and I also then used the Granny Apple Green light and dark blends as well, just to colour in the holly and the berries down there. And then it was filled up with some chocolate coins. Don't we all like a little bit of chocolate coins at Christmas? Alright, filled that in, and it's got a nice little drawstring like so that can be given as a nice little gift. And then to accompany that, I then used the same stamp set, and I did this little card here. This was done on using the Whisper White note cards and with envelopes as well. Perfect for beginner stampers, because you haven't really got to worry about anything. So all you would need is a stamp set, some basic, obviously, inks. Obviously, once you've got Memento Ink, that will last you for a long time, so you don't need to buy that every single time. Note cards and envelopes, so you don't have to worry about doing any trimming if you haven't got a trimmer or anything like that yet at the moment, or nothing fancy like the Stampin' Up one. You've got this, and obviously just matte and layered it on a bit of black card here, okay, and I've stamped again. Everything is done in Memento, and I've used the blends to colour in. Now, what you can see is I've done the light and the dark tone here. You can probably see, if I bring that in a little bit closer for you, you can probably see that there, that I've gone light and dark. Nothing fancy with the colouring at all, light and dark on the leaves here. Berries are all in one tone, so then it just gives a little bit of interest to the card as well, without it being all one solid colour. But you haven't got to have any fancy techniques of doing any blending, doing a light and dark like you can do. That you can do so much more with blends, but it's just kept it really, really simple. And that was it. So you got a nice little matching card and a nice little treat bag for someone very special, just using very minimal supplies. And obviously, if you were to buy everything, a lot of the stuff will do just so much more than just one card. Obviously, Whisper White, you get 20 note cards and envelopes. You get 8 Santa sacks. The Memento and the Poppy Parade will last you for forever, depending on how much you use it. But we use ours an awful lot, and they last us a long time. And that's it. And you've got a nice little stamp set here, which you can just get the glare out of the way, which you can use for lots and lots of Christmas cards this year, next year, all sorts. Alright, so I just wanted to pop on, and the video previous to this has gone through how I did it and how I've coloured and how I've actually brought it together, but I just wanted to bring this in just to show you the quality. So I think we had some pitch quality issues as well as sound issues as well. So just wanted to show those and share those again with you. I will be back again next Sunday at 7 o'clock for another #Simple Stamping Sunday project, or projects, depending on how many I want to do and how simple they are. And yeah, I will speak to you all next Sunday. Have a great night and a great week. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.